Hello children, very good morning to you. Now I am going to start new lesson from your social studies, okay, and that is 10th lesson, communication. In our previous classes we discussed about transportation, different modes of transportation. In this lesson we are going to discuss about different types of communication, okay. Then what is the meaning of communication? What is the meaning of communication? Communication means nothing, exchanging what information with others. Got it? Exchanging information with others is called as communication. Okay, how we are exchanging information with others? And that is one of the question. Okay, see, with talking or by sending messages. Okay, many different, or sending letters to others. There are many different types of communication is there. Means we are communicating with many different ways to other peoples. Okay, that is types of communication. Communication means exchanging information with the others. Okay, so here what all living things are communicate with each others, not only what people. Okay, animals also communicating with each other, not only human beings. How that animals are communicating with each other? Means by making sounds. Is it possible to talk how we people are talking? We are sharing information by talking. Okay, but animals can't do like that, so they are making some particular sound. Okay, particular sound to exchange that ideas or exchange something. Okay, so that is also means all living things are communicating with each other. That is one of the concept. Okay, see here, in earlier human beings, how they are communicating. Now we are in developing world. Okay, so in our country also there are many different types of communication methods we are having now. But previously, many years ago, is it possible they also has like this developed communication process or communication systems? No. How they are communicated on that time in early human beings? Means nothing, by doing some sign. Okay, they are communicating with each other. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ communicating by talking. Okay, previously, later that language was developed. Okay, in the process of communication, previously by the help of sign they are communicated. Later language was developed, then script also developed. Script means nothing, that writing process of that communication, that also ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಸೈನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಬಂತು, ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್. ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್. Okay, after the communication, after the development of that script, means writing skill of communication, that postal services was introduced to communicate. Okay, ಲೇಟರ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, then also previously, before that postal services was started. Okay, that peoples are using animals to communicate with others. How they are communicate? By talking. Okay, like they are already that script was introduced, so they know about that writing, how what they have to communicate ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಏನನ್ನ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ they are sending through the animals. For example, pigeon, horses in earlier days. Okay, we saw that pigeon means they attach that letter to the pigeon, and also that is pigeon particularly reaches letter or messages to the other places or a persons. Okay, this is one of the communication system earlier they used by the help of animal. Later postal system was introduced, postal services was introduced. After, means by the help of this postal services we can send the letters, means return letter to other, and also it helps to reach to a far distances. Okay, this is one of the communication method we used. After this postal services, again telephone was introduced, invented. So in the year of 1876, telephone was invented. Okay, so by the help of telephone we can communicate with, by the help of that telephone we can communicate with the talking process. Okay, there is no writing process, by very easy communication method, that is okay, telephones, comparing to the postal services. Means postal services take some time to reach that messages or letters to others. Okay, but by the help of telephones, and there is no need of much time to reach the messages to others. Okay, very fast. This is one of the fastest mode of communication, telephones. So that was introduced, and also it is very useful to the people. Okay, yes. Next, after that telephone, they introduced a fax and also many different other methods of communication, also by using internet facilities. Okay, means email and other communication systems. Okay, let us discuss one by one detailing. So first one is communicating with individuals. Next topic is communicating with individuals. See here, in this, okay, individual communication, first one we used, first only I told to you, postal services was introduced. By the help of postal services we are sending letters to others. By the help of letter we can reach messages to the other person. Okay, that is one of the mode of communication I told. So here also first communication mode is letters. Okay, so that letter means that is one of the written copy of messages we can reach to the others, means give to the others. That is about the letters, and also by the help of post offices and also the courier services we can send the letters. Okay, next one is telephone. First only we discussed about the telephone, comparing to the postal services or a courier services, means comparing to the letters. Okay, this is one of the fastest mode of communication. Nowadays we all are using this. Okay, one of the popular mode of communication also. So in this telephone system, okay, telephone communication, there are two major types of communication. One is STD. Okay, another one is ISD. What about that STD means? Subscriber trunk dialing, means within country. Okay, if we want to talk with others, they are living within our country, means that call is called as a STD calls, means what a subscriber trunk dialing, means within the country, not outside of country, not for other country. Okay, only we are able to call for those who are living in our country only. Okay, and that is STD calls. What about IST means? That is nothing. International subscriber dialing. Okay, IST means international subscriber dialing, means if any our relatives or friends, okay, they are living outside of our country or any other country, by the help of STD we can talk with others. Okay, talk with them like that. That is one of the call we are calling as a IST. Means IST means communicating with other country people. STD means we can communicate with within our country people. Okay, that is the difference between STD calls and also the IST calls. This is the division or types in the telephone calls. Yes. Next about that, in the telephone we can send SMS. SMS means nothing. Short messaging services. That also means return messaging services also available. Okay. So that is about the telephone. Next one is fax. Fax means nothing. That is one of the written copy of messages. Okay, and or a printed copy, written copy, or sometimes we are sending as a images, means pictures. Okay, that is fax. In this also, this fax machine is connected through a telephone line. Okay, this fax machine is connected with a telephone line. By the help of this, we can send the messages to others. Okay, that is. And next one is email. That is one of the very fastest mean of written communication. Okay, email means we are sending by the help of computer, that also connected with the internet ಅನ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಮೇಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇದ್ರ ಥ್ರೂ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ನ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ others. Okay, that is one of the process. By the help of emails also, we can send that written messages or pictures or any document we can attach and send to others. Okay, that is one of the benefit by the help of internet. But in some rural areas there is no internet connectivity, they can't use this email facilities. Okay, that is one of the disadvantage of the email. Next, smartphones. Now this is one of the very popular mean of communication, smartphones. Almost every persons are having this. Okay, smartphones. In this smartphone, that is having many different features to communicate alva. Smartphone alli enagirutte, variety of features irutte. Through the help of this variety of features, we can communicate with others and also to other country people also. Okay, that is about the smartphone. Means we can use it, that smartphones to take photograph, play music, send messages, to chat, and also sometime we can use that to make video call. Many other different feature, different uses we are having by the smartphone. Means it is one of the most popular nowadays, one of the mode of communication. Okay, that is smartphones. Next one is video calls. Okay, by the help of that smartphone, we can make that video calls to others. Means that is one of the face-to-face communication. Means while we are talking with others, we can see their face. Okay, that is video call. That is one of the developed feature and also very helpful communication mode of the communication here. Okay, so this is about different types of communication we discussed here. Read this lesson up to here. Okay, and also write 2 sentences about any 5 types of communication. Okay, 5 different modes of communication. That is homework to you. Okay, thank you.